Here we're going to go over how to edit the business information. So simply click Edit Business Information. There are three areas: company information, operating hours, and operating parameters. In company information, you can set the company logo, name, address, phone number, and company website. In the operating hours, you can set the open and close time for each day. In this case, it's set the same to every day, to open at 10 a.m. and close at 11 p.m. The operating parameters affect how Skywa interacts with your customers. The first option, display wait time on consumer app, can be turned on or off. And this is simply when the consumer checks into your queue, if they'll see an estimated wait time on their screen. The average appointment time, set to 10 here, can be changed, and this is used in calculating the wait time that's displayed on the consumer app. The arrival radius, which is in this case set to 1,000 feet, indicates how close the customer has to be to your business to show up as arrived in the manager app. And the check-in distance in miles is how close to your business the customer needs to be in order to check in to begin with. The final parameter, set entrance location. To do this, go to your reception area and then click Set Entrance Location. This will save your location and be used for the check-in process for determining arrival radius and check-in distance.